Hey guys, what's going on? It's Non-weaponized preparedness back with you. So, I'm just waking up. I've got 1 cup of coffee in me already, and right now I'm drinking water. I might go for another cup of coffee later on, but it's time to talk preparedness a little bit. When most people think preparedness, they think of weapons to the hilt and stuff like that, but I'm here to tell you that you do not need weapons in order to survive. You can do just fine with self defense methods, using your body as a weapon basically. And you really don't need a whole bunch in order to start prepping. I've started with just under $50, and I really do believe that you don't need a whole heck of a lot. When I first started out, all I had was the knowledge on my back, knowledge in my head, clothes on my back, and I have grown exponentially into having a 4,000 watt inverter that is heavy as a brick, and I have that hooked up to a car battery underneath my desk. And you know, with my ham radio setup being run off of that battery, I really do believe that we're seeing some good growth in my prepping and survival experience. I can really think of multiple things that I am proficient in. One of those being having the will to survive. If you don't have the will to survive, you're not going to go anywhere as a prepper. That's the one thing that I really want to hammer home is you do not need weapons in order to be a prepper. You can start out with food storage, you can start out with water storage, what have you. You can even start out with 50 caliber 100 round ammo cans as your storage device, not using it for bullet storage per se, but using it for, like, say, coffee storage or just small item storage that you're going to want to get to fairly regularly. I have at least 5 50 caliber ammo cans at my bunker, and I've got one dry box just back here. You can probably see it with the black handle there. And that's pretty much all you need. I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Dang it. Hate it when that happens. So in the dry box here, I don't have much in the way of supplies yet. In fact, I don't have anything. But hopefully here in the near future, I hope to have some really good like food storage items and just Mylar bags packed away with the whole thing of my preparedness being taking weapons completely out of the picture. I'm going to end the video here, guys, but please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. Non-weaponized preparedness signing off for now. Understand, Commander, that torpedo did not self-destruct. You heard it hit the hull, and I was never here. Contact Dallas, give him the go.